Well, perhaps if we could cultivate some constancy of character, we could actually realize nobility of character. So we're difficult beings. Now, however much we agree or disagree, and I'm not going to go into this right because I don't want to get bogged down in scholarship on Plato, and I'm not a Plato scholar anyway. You know, however much we agree or disagree with how he struggled to identify the role that reason might play in bringing about that constancy of character, in bringing about virtuous character, the difficulty that he confronted at the inception of Western philosophy remains. It remains for us today. How do we care for ourselves and how do we care for others? And what is our major stumbling block? Well, I'd like to say, this, out of my own work and in conjunction with religious studies, one of our great stumbling blocks is quite simply suffering. We suffer. This is related. I think we can get cues for, again, what I take to be sort of the general vocation of philosophy by looking to the etymology of the English term pathos or pathos, because the term pathos, actually, I don't like when you look at all the different dictionary definitions of pathos. At this point in time, I think lots of things are just jumbled together into a single definition. But the fact of the matter is that etymologically, pathos meant two things, primarily. The first is it simply means to undergo. It means to suffer in the simple sense that one undergoes. We are time-bound, embodied beings. We will undergo a passage for some duration of time, like it or not. This is a fact of our existence. Now that fact doesn't in and of itself mean that I have to